Done.
What's up everybody, welcome back to a new vlog. So today we woke up bright and early because we are getting ready to head out to IKEA. We're heading out to IKEA. We have a few things to return, or actually just one thing, and then we're gonna buy something else because we want to put it out on our patio. But yeah, so of course I'm gonna bring you guys along with us, and I will be updating you guys. We took down what we had up here just because we took it down because the kids were always bumping their heads, so we don't want that to keep happening. So yeah, have to have my morning fix for me to function. Pero vale que invitan. Ya nos vamos a la chingada. Finally, my goal was to leave at 9 so that we can get there when they opened, but it's already 10. Oh well. But yeah, I will update you guys once we arrive because I am the one that gets to drive today. Or I'll probably have Sebastian record on the way out there or something. Why are you getting so far? Say, we're in IKEA. Sure. Zam, you got money? Yeah. Zang, is you rich? Yeah. Where are we gonna go next? Are you gonna take me shopping? Mommy, oh yeah, we can't expose that info. What is you buying? Wow. So we are done with IKEA and I think we're gonna head back home because in reality we were just coming to return and buy something that we needed. So yeah, I will update you guys as soon as we get to our next destination. What's up everybody? So it's been a few hours from the last clip you guys saw. When we got home from IKEA, the first thing we did was eat because your girl was starving. We didn't have breakfast, we only had coffee as you guys saw because I showed you guys. Anyways, after that we started doing what we had to do with the balcony. The main reason why we went to IKEA was to purchase like a floor for patio. I don't know, something that we laid out on our patio to make it look nice because Your girl likes to decorate, and I mean, this is where we live, you know. I want to make it feel homey and to our liking. So we got done with that, but I'm not gonna show you guys what it looks like just yet because we are not done. We're actually putting that to a pause. It is my cousin's birthday. Shout out to Nora. She is turning 20 something years old. I don't want to say her exact age, just so I don't blast her out there. But yeah, so she told me that she was gonna have like a early dinner, I guess. I don't know. Point is, it started at 3, it's already 6, and we're barely getting ready to head out and go spend some time with her. So that's what we're doing right now. I will update you guys as soon as we arrive to her house so that we can sing happy birthday to her or have dinner with her. Who knows what the heck we're doing, because I'm 3 hours late. What if they already cut the cake? Or yeah, so I will see you guys in just a few. What's up, you guys? So I didn't take my vlogging camera to my cousin's little get-together because I wasn't sure how they were gonna feel about me bringing the camera, but I recorded when she was cutting the cake with my phone, so I will insert that clip here.
Oh yeah, Mia, that's it, girlfriend.
Mia, pose. Put your hands right here.
Pose,
No,
yeah.
pose.
Mete la panza, saca la panza. Go, girl.
Pose.
Oh, it's pose. No? Are you gonna have
When
me
do
go?
we sing?
I know. I don't like this mañanita song.
Why no?
Because it doesn't have
Ya
like...
se te olvidó el español, güey.
No, porque no está like...
Happy birthday to you.
Can we just say happy birthday? Vamos a decir happy birthday.
birthday to you.
Yeah?
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nora. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish, Nora. Make a wish.
Que encuentre una suspensión barata.
I need a transmission. I need a transmission. That is... Oh, no. It's hot.
Oh,
It's hot.
good job, Mia.
Yay, Mia.
I won't clap.
I would push you in the cake, but it's really small, so I'm not going to.
Yeah, Gordo said he can't do that because that's his part.
Yeah.
That's why he's standing up?
No, I was gonna grab Mia, so.
Oh.
She's like, I want to be the center of attention.
Oh.
Ya te habías tardado, Happy birthday!
Alex, get her on one side and then I could get her
No.
on Alex. Can you get your tía Nora with this?
Here, Myra, pass it.
She's like,
Y'all
no.
are lucky my hair isn't straight today. Shit.
Or else?
Or else I would have a fro. Don't, Myra, don't. Don't, Myra!
Go, Pabe.
Hey!
Por si no te ibas
You
a
started it,
bañar.
we're gonna clean it up. It's your birthday.
But right now we are at Lowe's. We're gonna get a few things that we need, so I'll bring you guys along with us. What the heck? Mia, come over here, show your outfit. Let me see your outfit. Wait, do it again, let me see. Wow, pose. Hey. Alright, let's go. Are you gonna go shopping?
Yeah,
Talk to the camera.
I got shopping.
Do you have money?
I got money.
You're rich?
Yeah,
You got money.
I got money. I go shopping.
Right, you gotta hang on to your money, girl. Make everybody else spend it. I know it's cute.
Yes, video recording.
Yeah.
You tell him.
Precious moments.
Like, yep, I got the bucks, baby.
My mom still comes back.
Alright guys, so that is the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every single time we upload.
Done.